Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing this look, and this is a one brand tutorial using Color Essence products. A lot of you guys were requesting a Color Essence tutorial. I'm really sorry for keep you stalling for this long because I did shoot one video and then I realized that as soon as I was about to finish my eyes, I realized that oh shit, I don't have a Color Essence mascara. So bleak. So then I ordered one and it took a while in coming and stuff. So it came in today morning from Jibong, and then I was like, hey, we'll shoot now. So I shot it as soon as I got the mascara, sort of, not exactly but sort of. But yes, this is the look. It's like bronze smoky eyes and pink lips with golden and black lower lash line. And yeah, if you like the look that I'm wearing and you want to know how to do this, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do today is a foundation, and I'm using Color Essence Aqua Shimmer Base in the shade LFS1 Beige, and I'm going to use it with the help of a beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend this all over my face, as I said, with the beauty blender. Is on a creamy side. I'm going to set it with the High Definition Mineral Makeup Compact by Color Essence, and this is which shade? This doesn't mention the shade, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this. I don't know which shade this is. Blee. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use that powder to set my foundation. It does come with a puff, but I haven't really ever used it, so. And oh yes, I'm using a kabuki brush as usual to set my foundation. I'm like, what is this? What is this? Foundation. Next up, I'm going to do my blusher, and I'm going to use the Color Essence blusher in the shade Blusher. This doesn't have a shade, but it just says blusher, and I have very easily managed to ruin this. I'm going to show you. It's like all broken from inside, so I'm just going to use that very carefully, and this is like really pigmented, and as I said, it's just in the shade Blusher. It says just blusher, and I'm going to use my contour brush, and I'm going to use that on the apples of my cheeks very sparingly. The Color Essence Shimmer Highlighter. It is shimmery as it says. It looks like this. It looks white in here, but it comes off like a reflects goldenish color onto the skin, and I am just going to like show you. It just looks like this. It has like a hole, and I'm just going to use my blending brush, and I'm just going to pick up whatever is there on the top layer, because pigmented and shimmers, and you don't want to go all crazy with shimmers. So I'm just going to take that much, and it is a golden reflex as I said earlier, and I'm just going to apply it to the cheekbone area. Oh my gosh, what is it with me today? I'm just forgetting everything's name, but I'm just going to apply it on the cheekbone area. apply it to my nose bridge or cupid's bow or chin, because this is a shimmer highlighter and not like a metallic-ish highlighter. If you know the difference, shimmer is like glitter, okay, and it's not like just a metallic finish. So I'm just keeping it to my cheekbones and not to anywhere, and not like spreading it to anywhere else, and just not spreading it anywhere else. So yes, just to the cheekbones. Now Color Sense doesn't have any eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder. At least I couldn't find one, and I do not have like any matte black eyeshadow from Color Sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the kajal, it looks like this, and I'm going to take a small angular brush, sorry, and I'm just going to take this kajal on my small angular brush, and with a very light hand, like a very light hand, I'm just going to define my eyebrows. With that finished the face makeup, now I would do one of the eye and then I'll return to show you how to do the other eye. The first step that I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this trio from Color Sense in the shade Fire Desire. These eyeshadows are crazily pigmented and I love the shade, oopsies, and I love the shades. And I'm going to pick up this darkest shade right here with the help of this EcoTools Angular Blender brush. I'm going to put this color into my crease area and I'm going to make it in like an outer V crease area thingy. Take e.l.f. concealer brush. It's a stiff brush and that's why I'm using this, and I'm going to pick up the second shade, the mid shade of this trio on this concealer brush. I'm forgetting names today and I'm just so sorry for that. I'm like really bleed right now. So I'm going to take that color, I'm going to put it all across my moving eyelid area. This e.l.f. contour brush, it looks like this, it's a dome shaped brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that dark brown shade again. I'm going to deepen my crease, and then from the clean side of the brush I'm just going to fade out the edges so that it's not like really stark, it's all blended and good. Next I'm going to take Color Sense liquid liner, and I love this liquid liner. It's like my favorite liquid liner. It just stays on forever and ever and ever, and yeah, I just love it. And this is my second bottle. I bought it again, so you know how much I love it then. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to make like a really high pointy wing liner today, not like my normal wing liner which is more of like an elongated wing. It's going to be like high and pointy. So I'm going to use Color Sense liquid liner to do that. Take Color Sense kajal, and I'm just going to line half of my waterline with this. I'm going to line my full waterline, just half of it. Next I'm going to take that trio again, and I'm going to use the lightest shade, which is the golden shade right now, with this lip liner brush. It's actually a lip liner, but I'm going to use this to line my eyes because whatever. It's from A1, the double-sided brush, and I'm going to pick up that golden shade and I'm going to line the remaining lower lash line with it. Eyeshadows are beautiful and they pop up really well because they're so highly pigmented. Lastly, I'm going to use a mascara. This is the Color Essence HD Volume Mascara. This is water resistant, and what I really like about this mascara is its wand. It's like really unusual in shape and I really like it. I'm really sorry for the noises if you can hear them at all, that is, and if you can't, I'm really sorry for mentioning what you can't even hear. So I'm going to use this mascara and I'm going to apply it to my upper and lower lashes both. Okay, so I'm halfway through and I thought I'd switched on the recording, but it wasn't on. So first I was thinking to do a red lip, but then I was like, I've been doing red lips for a while. So today I'm going to be using Passionate Pink by Color Essence. It's like a beautiful pink shade, which you can see on half of my lip, and I'm going to apply that to the other half now because you can leave the look like this, but you can also top it off with a gloss because this lip stick is a little drying and it just makes your lips very matte, and even if you do moisturize and exfoliate your lips, it just goes like in a while. So I'm going to be applying this Color Essence lip gloss in the shade Sweet Pink, which is almost like matchy. So and I really like this lip gloss. It's like really highly pigmented and it stays on forever. Then you can finish off the look with a nice golden nail polish. This is Color Essence nail polish in Currant. Looks like this. It's like a nice golden color, but I'm not going to do that because I have just cleaned my nails and had a nail spa and everything. So I'm going to do a nice nail art which doesn't include golden. If it would have, I would have definitely applied this, but nada, not today. Bam, there it goes. So yes, with that we complete this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And if you try out this look, then don't forget to tweet or Instagram it to me. I love to see you guys' recreations, and I have a Twitter and Instagram, a Facebook and a blog. Links to all would be in the bottom bar, so make sure to check those out as well. And I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.